Namaste yogis, it's Cam here from Flex Hot Yoga in Norman Park, and I'm back with the posture of the month. And this month in May, our posture is Ganda Berundasana, or chin stand. So Ganda meaning cheek or face, and Berunda meaning fierce bird, like a two-headed eagle. So the posture is of a fierce bird with its face to the ground. So chin stand. So to do that, we're going to need some base work that's feeling really strong. We're going to need a really good chaturanga, so beautifully aligned with the elbows stacking directly over the wrists and nice and strong in that pose. Being able to hold low plank for about 30 or 60 seconds. You're going to need a confident, strong back bend. So using something like locust pose, where you can take the arms and the legs back, squeeze and hold comfortably, squeezing the whole back line, shoulder blades kissing, and strong glutes, strong legs, because you're going to need that to hold in the inverted position. And getting comfortable with your chin on the ground, which you might get from something like puppy pose. So you might bring the chin forward like that. If that's too strong, you might come in from, say, a crocodile position and get used to having your chin on the floor like that. So once you're confident and you're comfortable there, you're ready to build the blocks up into chin stand. Using 2 blocks. Use good yoga blocks. Buy them online if you don't have them. Don't use things that are going to fall apart. You can do it. We have the World Wide Web. So yeah, get some good blocks. From here, you want to get shoulder distance. So once you've got shoulder distance for you, get comfortable with the blocks are going to support your weight. So to do that, you're just going to come down, place your shoulders onto the blocks, lift the hands, and take the head side to side so you know that the blocks have got you. Once you're confident with that and the position's feeling good and comfortable on your shoulders, you're going to take your fingertips, pointer fingers at the base of the block, and come back into a really tight and high downward facing dog. So from your downward dog, walk the feet in 1 or half a step and take your dominant leg up to the sky into a 3-legged dog. And then from here, leaning forward into a 3-legged chaturanga, placing the shoulders onto the blocks, the chin is floating, and then swapping legs and pressing back into downward facing dog. So that can be your first drill. So you can do that, say maybe 8 or 10 rounds of that, just to get comfortable and confident. Once you're feeling confident and comfortable there, then we're going to start taking both of the legs off the ground. So little kicks or little hops. So when you're coming forward, you're going to take your dominant leg high, and then you're going to kick the other leg up to match. So from your downward dog, nice and tight, dominant leg high, lowering into your 3-legged chaturanga, shoulders onto the blocks, squeeze the elbows to the body line, and then kicking the other leg up. And coming back down. Take as many rests as you need. It's good, strong work. So using serratus, chest, shoulders, and the whole back line there. So even squeezing the thighs towards each other and switching on the glutes. Once you've got that, you can start taking your variations, and you can take the blocks away and you can add it into your play of your vinyasa. So as you start to flow, taking your foot in, dominant leg high or whatever leg you're on, or any other variations that you want to take. So that's it for this month. Come back and check out the next posture of the month, and I'll be with you next time. Namaste.